Hello and welcome back to Mr. Smith's Promising Practice. In my presentation, I talked about Streamlabs OBS and how you can create scenes to actually guide your digital content to instruct students. In this video, I just want to show you how you can download Streamlabs OBS so that way you can utilize it for your own classroom. So I actually have a QR code right here that you can just take out your cell phone and scan, or if your laptop has a camera, you can scan it on there, or you can go to streamlabs.com to find the software. So if you scan the QR code, it'll bring you to this website. It's pretty simple. You just have to click Download Streamlabs, and then it will download an installation file. Once that is downloaded, you can go ahead and pre-click, and it'll open it when it's finished. And then it will open up the software for you to install. You just click Next a few times, and then you're ready to go. All right, thank you so much.